Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat chewable vitamin C tablets. Start by reading the label and washing your hands, then choose a comfortable sitting position. Break large tablets if directed and chew thoroughly to dissolve in saliva. If taste is strong, follow with a sip of water or a small snack to ease acidity. Space doses evenly through the day and do not exceed recommended amounts without consulting a professional. Next, I will explain how to chew properly for best absorption and comfort. Hold the tablet on your tongue, bite down to crush it, and chew until it becomes a paste. Swallow the softened mixture with a small sip of water. This reduces acidity on your teeth. If you experience any bitterness or irritation, pause and rinse your mouth. Avoid swallowing large chunks to prevent throat scratchiness and uneven dosing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless after chewing tablets or snacks, and it even follows voice commands when you call it out. It's a fun little way to keep counters and floors tidy so you never worry about crumbs near your vitamins. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now I will explain timing and safety to make chewable vitamin C work best for you. Take tablets with a meal to reduce stomach upset and protect tooth enamel from acid. Track total daily intake, including supplements and fortified foods, and avoid exceeding recommended limits. If you have kidney issues or are pregnant, consult a healthcare provider first. Store tablets properly and keep them out of reach of children to prevent accidental overdose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.